you hear that? It's actually a hummingbird. So we have a lot of garden friends. The hummingbirds, the butterflies, the bees, they turn the flowers in our like fruit-bearing trees. Like for example, this like lemon tree flower, the calamansi, the peaches, the nectar plum. Right now, I'll show you in a little bit, but right now there are like gorgeous flowers on our nectar plum. They turn the garden friends turn those flowers into fruit-bearing trees. But we have garden enemies too, and you have issues with garden enemies like the snails and critters, the tiny animals, then this could be a solution for you. This was sent to me by UQM, and they come in like a set of 30. I have more here. They not only protect the plants and the seedlings from the garden enemies, but they also provide an ideal environment for the seedlings to grow. I'm using this raised planter box as an example, but these cloches, they are more useful when your seedlings are planted on the ground. This protective cover that is adjustable is a unique feature of this like product. So this will control the humidity and then the moisture. Opening it will let like air and like moisture to come in, and closing it will act as like will insulate the plant and will act like as a greenhouse. So you have like a mini greenhouse for your tiny plant here, which provides an ideal like environment for like growing plants. The transparent feature of this cloche is to allow sufficient sunlight to get into your like plants, and then the green color also like protects them from getting too much sun. So if it's too hot, the green will like kind of like serve as a protector to your like plant. There's a bee in my camera right now. You can either like cover this with like soil to keep it in place, or you can like stake it. There are holes here if you would like to stake it onto the ground. I highly recommend these cloches from UQM if you are growing tiny plants outdoor.